Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about business, crypto and investing. Right now we are on CoinMarketCap, as you can see, and everything looks fine, everything looks green and up, but the global crypto market cap is down by 0.40%. And as you can see, for Shiba Inu coin, the volume in the last 24 hours is down by 20%, which is less than $300 million. The overall market cap is up by 0.87%, and that's more than $3 billion US. And also the Shiba Inu price is up by 0.87%. Looking at the chart, we can see that everything is green, but there's no big changes on the chart, and let's see it in the last 24 hours. Yeah, as you can see, there are some pumps and dumps, and I don't know what's happening right here, but the price is going up, as you can see. Can we have another big spike like on the beginning, like it was after that famous tweet? But today we have some interesting news that's gonna change the price of Shiba Inu. So if you want to know everything about that, make sure to stay until the end of the video. And please, if you are a part of Shiba Inu army, comment down below #ShibaArmy, so I can know how many of my viewers are investors. Okay, let's move on and see the latest news. Shiba Inu coin may be on the rise. Here are the latest predictions. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency token may be rising once again, demonstrating a bullish trend as it climbs higher and higher in value. What's happening with SHIB coin? SHIB coin, a meme-based cryptocurrency that is a nod to the Dogecoin crypto token, has risen by 60% in recent weeks since it reached its lowest value ever in July. According to Investing Cube, the price has shown there's still strong support for the crypto token, as there has been a significant movement over 25-day and 50-day periods. What are SHIB coin predictions? One predictions from Investing Cube suggests that the coin will see another round of resistance when it reaches a value of 0.0096, but the trend still points upward for the SHIB coin. SHIB coin currently has a high entry price for new investors, and there doesn't seem to be a massive movement for the coin right now, according to FX Street. Through cryptocurrency rising right now, Shiba Inu coin hasn't had such a strong rise recently, which has made it challenging for new investors to embrace the meme-based cryptocurrency. How will SHIB coin rise again? According to Investor Place, the coin could use a boost from some social media hype, specifically Tesla CEO Elon Musk, who has previously embraced Dogecoin, could drum up enough support if he were to mention the coin again. Per Investor Place, a mention could easily be enough to swing the prices of these digital assets by double digits in a matter of days, according to Investor Place. And yeah, guys, as you know, one tweet from a famous person in this crypto world can make a big difference on the token price. And like I said, make sure to stay until the end of the video, because we are moving on some very important news. Why is Shiba Inu bucking the trend, outperforming Bitcoin, Dogecoin today? Shiba Inu rose over 3% in early hours of even as major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin declined. What's moving? SHIB rose 5.19 to 0.009 over the 24 hours at press time. Over a 7-day period, SHIB has soared 16.96%. The self-described Dogecoin killer moved 6.8% higher against Bitcoin and was up by 7.41% against Ethereum. In the last 30-day period, SHIB rose 30.65%. Meanwhile, Doge traded 2.73% lower at 0.35 over 24 hours. Okay, this is the important part right now. Why is it moving? There's no immediate news or update to explain Shiba Inu's surge, but it comes amid high social media interest. SHIB was among the top trending coins on Twitter Inc.'s platform at press time, as per data from Coin Trends. The meme cryptocurrency was also the top trending cryptocurrency on Stock Tweets at press time. The coin's growth comes despite the latest rally in major cryptocurrencies taking a breather in the late hours of Monday. Bazinga's Tyler Bundy noted that the 0.001 level has acted as resistance for SHIB, noting that the cryptocurrency has entered overbought territory and could shoot higher should the momentum continue. Now we have some more news before price predictions, so be ready guys and listen to this. Shiba Inu downtrend is not over yet, but help is underway. Shiba Inu has had its run higher but hit a cap at the beginning of the week. A full correction has taken place, whipping out almost the entire profit of 2 weeks' gains. The velocity at high buyers have been squeezed out of their longs, shows that short sellers were waiting for a moment to strike. The shift in sentiment has taken over control of SHIB price and is pushing price action further down. Shiba Inu has been tackled in speed by the correction, but there is a silver lining nearby, as yesterday's SHIB Inu barely touched critical support at 0.0076. The graph shows price action has hovered above and below that marker, with a few retests from time to time on both sides, proving its importance. Price action could still hold above yesterday and today to show that buyers are still keen to step in at decent levels. Even if that level were to break, SHIB still has a double layer of support below around 0.0073. Around that level, SHIB has the red descending trend line coming and the 50-day simple moving average SMA, which act both as support and good entry point to bounce off. The 50-day SMA had shown its importance back on August 8 when prices bounced off that SMA and got a 22% move in just 1 day. Also, it was the catalyst to have SHIB break the red descending trend line to the upside. And if that doesn't make the trade just above the 0.0070, the monthly pivot has also proved its importance on August 9th, as SHIB price bounced off there in a premonition of the run higher that concluded a profit of 33%. Buyers will be a bit puzzled about the move, but expect people to wait out this move and have the dust settled. If there are still enough buyers in SHIB to control price action, expect a run higher again, but limited to that dotted descending trend line. 0.0090 should be a possible price target for the next run higher. And now guys, about Shiba Inu price prediction. SHIB may have laid a bull trap as 0.000711 becomes pivotal. Shiba Inu price shaped a cup with handle base through July and early August before triggering on August 16 with a daily close above the handle high of 0.00887. The breakout has quickly introduced profit taking, suggesting a bear trap and putting the 36% measured move of the SHIB base in dub. Shiba Inu price plots new opportunity, but investors are not convinced. On August 16, Shiba Inu price triggered a constructive base after weeks of false attempts or erratic price structures. However, the breakout was met with a minus 10.75% reversal on August 17, marking the most significant daily decline since June 21. The potential bear trap has put SHIB investors on the defensive, with the meme token showing a double-digit loss from the handle high entry price. The lack of conviction and resulting Shiba Inu price reversal has spotlighted the support framed by the 50-day SMA at 0.00729. With a handle low of 0.00711, it is the make or break level for the cup with handle, breakout based on a daily close, and it would represent a loss of 20% from the SHIB handle high entry price. A failure to hold 0.00711 would quickly flip the Shiba Inu price outlook to bearish, exposing SHIB to a test of the July 20 low of 0.00570 or the June low of 0.00550 and a loss of minus 22.64 from the handle low. The sharp reversal on August may be a brief reaction to the overbought reading on the daily RSI and not a bull trap. To confirm renewal of the breakout, Shiba Inu price needs to log a daily close above breakout high of 0.00949 printed on August 16. Otherwise, SHIB speculators will be locked in a directionless cryptocurrency, undermining the base legitimacy at the bullish narrative developing since the 23.30% bounce on August 7. With the cryptocurrency market manufacturing impressive gains in several altcoins, Shiba Inu price finally caught a bid, thrusting SHIB from a constructive base, but investors' conviction barely lasted a day. It is a reminder of the challenges inherent in trafficking in outliner cryptocurrencies and now emphasizes the importance of 0.00711. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video, I hope you stayed until the end, and if you did, please make sure to leave a comment comment down below #ShibaArmy and like the video to help me grow my channel. Of course, subscribe and hit notification button for more latest news on your favorite crypto coins. And that's it guys for today's video. See you in the next one.